Namaskar, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Mahesh. Today, I want to teach a motion chapter of 9th class physics, in which I would like to teach a concept S is equal to ut plus half at square. The another name is second equation of motion. The another name is position time relation. Let's consider a body which is moving in a straight line with uniform velocity gives acceleration. Suppose I can explain that point on the board. Suppose a body which is moving in a straight line with uniform acceleration, with the help of that uniform acceleration, we can derive the second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. That content I can explain on the board. Please listen carefully. Today our concept is equation for position time relation, or S is equal ut plus half at square. Suppose a body is moving along a straight line with a uniform acceleration A. Now let u be the initial velocity of a body at a time t is equal to 0. In such a case, the velocity time graph of such a body is represented by a straight line. Such a graph I can explain on the board. Please observe carefully. Now a body is started here at a time t is equal to 0. Its initial velocity is u. Once it reaches to a point A, it acquires an acceleration A. That means the body which travels from A to B a distance of uniform acceleration. That means OABC, the whole part, nothing but this triangle, this rectangle gives the distance traveled by a body from O to A to B to C to O. That means from figure at a time t is equal to 0, velocity is equal to OA, that is u, that is initial velocity. Going from A to B, the velocity of the body goes on increasing. That means uniform acceleration at a constant rate, that is acceleration. At a time t is equal to OC, at a time t is equal to OC, at C, velocity of the body is CB. That CB is final velocity V. Now we are going to derive about the total distance traveled by a body from O to A to B to C to O. The whole part gives the distance traveled by a body. That distance we are going to calculate. That distance is area of OABCO. Okay, now I can explain one by one individual terms. After that, I shall derive the whole derivation for you. Now, from the same graph, I can explain what are the parameters from the graph. Listen carefully. Now, from the graph, OA is equal to CD that equal to initial velocity, that is U. From the same graph, CB is equal to OE that equal to final velocity, means यहाँ से यहाँ तक, that means from C to B is final velocity, from C to B is final velocity. AB is equal to acceleration, that is A. What from the graph? AB is equal to acceleration. Now OC is equal to AD that equal to EB that equal to time, that is T. From the graph, OC is equal to AD that equal to EB that equal to time. Now, from the graph, BD is equal to BC minus CD that equal to BC minus OA, that is change of velocity. That means from the graph, BD is equal to BC minus CD. BD is equal to BC minus CD. BC minus CD that is equal BC minus what is CD? OA. What is BC? BC is total is final velocity and OA is initial velocity, that is change in velocity or change of velocity, that is equal V minus U. Now SP the distance traveled by the body in time T in going from A to B. In such a case, the distance is given by the area of OABCD. That means OABDC. Okay? Now, therefore, the distance, yes. Now, the distance S is equal area of figure OABDC. So the distance S is equal area of the figure OAB. So the area of figure OABDC or OABC. Now that is area of the triangle by the area of rectangle. That means area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle OABC. Now come to point. That is equal. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height plus length into breadth. Now that equal 1/2 into area of triangle ABD. What is the base? AD. dB plus length into that. Where is the length? From the rectangle OACD. Length, breadth. Length means OC, breadth means CD. Now our next step is 1 by 2 AD. What is AD from the graph? T. And dB. What is dB from the graph? dB is equal BC minus CD plus OC. What is OC? T. Next, CD. What is CD? U. Okay? Now, that equal 1 by 2 T into DC minus what is CD from the graph? CD is equal OA plus T into U. I think you understood this step. Yesterday also we did this step from this step. That equal 1 by 2 into T into what is BC? V. What is OA? U. That equal plus T into U. This whole is S is equal 1 by 2 into T into V minus U plus UT. Okay? Now consider equation number 1. Okay? But we know from first equation of motion V minus U is equal AT. Equation number 2. Okay? Now equation 2 in equation 1. Therefore S is equal 1 by 2 into T. What is V minus U? AT plus UT. Therefore S is equal UT plus of A into T into T. A T square. Equation number 3. This S is equal or S is equal UT plus of AT square is the second equation of motion or position time relation. Therefore, this S is equal to UT plus half AT square is the second equation of motion or position time relation. Thank you very much for watching this video. I can give Pass it.